children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine with your family? Yes. Now children, today we learn English for LKG. English for LKG. Okay children? So before English, we learn animals and young ones. Here children, animals and young ones. Animals and babies. So small babies we call it young ones children. Okay, understood? Yes. So see children here. Animals and young ones. Young ones means what children? Small babies. Okay. So first one, bear. Okay children. So first one is bear. So bear is one mother. So bear, small baby what children? Yes. Cub. Bear, mother. So small baby, bear. Small baby we called it what children? Cub. So second one, cat. Cat mother. So cat, small baby what children? Kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. So third one, cow. Cow is a mother. So cow, child, a daughter, anyone, so we called him what children? Calf. C-A-L-F. Calf. So fourth one. So deer. So deer, children we called a what children? Deer is a animal. So deer child we called a what children? Fawn. F-A-W-N. Fawn. So fifth one, dog. Dog mother. So dog child what children? Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. So this is mother and this is children. So bear, cub. Bear, cub. Cat, kitten. Cow, calf. Deer, fawn. Dog, puppy. So next, duck. So duck child what children we called it? Duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. So seventh one, elephant. Elephant, calf. Elephant child we called it calf. So next, hen. Hen and chick. So ninth one, horse. Horse. So F-O-L, foal. So tenth one, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit, small child, we called a bunny. B-U-N-N-Y. Bunny. So 11th one, sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. So L-A-M-B. Lamb. So 12th one, tiger. Tiger. So tiger child we called it what children? C-U-B. Cub. So this is young ones. Understood children? So everyone repeat children after me. Bear. C-U-B. Cub. Animals and young. This is animals. So this is young one. So animals is a bear. So bear is one mother. So mother child we called a bear what children? Cub. Bear, cub. Cat, kitten. Cow, calf. D, fawn, dog, puppy. So these all are young ones, and this is animals. Okay, children. So duck, duckling, duck, duckling. Elephant, calf, elephant, calf. Hen, chick, hen, chick. Horse, foal, horse, foal. Rabbit, bunny. So rabbit. So small baby, what children? Rabbit, small baby, bunny. Sheep, sheep, small baby, lamb. Tiger, small baby, cub. Understood, children? So these are young ones. So this is animals. So animals and young ones. So bear, bear, small baby, called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Cat, cat, small baby, we called a kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Cow, cow, small baby, we called a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Deer, deer, small baby, we called a fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. Dog, dog, small baby, we called a puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Duck, duck, small baby, we called a duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Elephant, so elephant, small baby, we called a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Hen, hen, small baby, we called a chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Horse, foal. F-O-A-L, foal. So small baby, horse, foal. Rabbit, small baby, we called a bunny. B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. Sheep, sheep, small baby, lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Tiger, small baby, we called a cub. C-U-B, cub. Understood, children? Animals and young ones. So children, I'll show some pictures, children. Okay? So these animals and young ones, I'll show some pictures, children. Okay? Ready? Yes. So see, children, here. Yes. So first one is bear. Yes. See, children. Bear and C-U-B, cub. Cow. C-A-L-F, calf. So cow, C-O-W, cow. So cow, small baby, calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. So small baby, duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Hen, H-E-N, hen. So small baby, children, here see, C-H-I-C-K, chick. So rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. So small baby, bunny, B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. So here, children, deer, D-A-R, deer. So small baby, fawn, F-A-W-N, fawn. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So small baby, calf, C-A-L-F, calf. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. So small baby, foal, F-O-A-L, foal. Sheep, S-H-E-P, sheep. So small baby, L-A-M-B, lamb. So next, children, yes, C-A-T, cat, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten, cat, kitten. D-O-G, dog, P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. So next, tiger, T-I-G-E, tiger, C-U-B, cub. F-R-O-G, frog. So frog, small baby, tadpole, T-A-D, tad, P-O-L-E, pole. See, children. See, children. Okay. Bear, cub. Cow, calf. Duck, duckling. Hen, chick. Rabbit, bunny. Deer, fawn. Elephant, calf. Horse, foal. sheep, lamb, cat, kitten, dog, puppy, frog, tadpole, and tiger, cub. Understood, children? Yes. Now, children, start English class. Okay? Now we'll start English class, children. So everyone take out your English workbook. Sorry, English textbook. So workbook is finished, children. Yes. So now everyone take out Little Learner English textbook. So open your textbook, children. Yes. So see, children, here page number 28. So many things to see. So many things to see. Here one poem is there. Come on, sing, children. Look around, look around. So many things to be found. Look around, look around. So many things to be found. Some are near, like his beer. Some like near, like his this beer. Some are far, like that car. Some are far, like that car. Points out object in the classroom and continue. This table, that floor, this chair, that bag. So many things around me. So many things for me to see. So see, children, point the objects in the classroom and continue. This is a table, that flag, this chair, that bag. So many things around me, so many things for me to see. Understood, children? So, see, children, here, page number 29. Look at the picture, tick, write the correct word. Ready, children? Yes. Yes, children. So, see, children, here, look at this picture, tick, write the correct word. So, children, here give these and dirt. So, these, dirt. Yes, children. So, children, see textbook. This is a car, that is a car. So, this is a car, that is a car. So, children, see, so arrow mark is so far. So, this arrow mark is so far. So, this is a car. No, that is wrong. So, that is a car. So, see, children, here. This is a car. Okay. This is a car. So, arrow mark is so far. So, this is a car. That is a car. So, arrow mark is so far. So, arrow mark is so far. This is not. Only that is a car. So, wrong it, children. So, first one is wrong. So, second one, children. This is a jar. That is a jar. So, arrow mark is what, children? Short. So, arrow mark is short. So, this is a jar. So, write a tick, right mark. Okay, children? Yes. So, next, children. This is cycle. That is cycle. So, arrow mark is so short. So, what I told, children, arrow mark is big, that one is that. So, cycle arrow mark is so small. So, here what, children? Yes, this is a cycle. So, put a right mark. So, next, children, this is a glass, that is a glass. So, here arrow mark what, children? So far. So, arrow mark for so far what I told. So, arrow mark is So far. So that is a glass. So right, wrong children. So this is a pencil. That is a pencil. So here arrow mark is so short. So what is this? This is a pencil. So this is right mark. This is a pencil. That is a pencil. So here arrow mark is what, children? Big. Okay. So what is this here? That is a crayon. It is a crayon pencil. So this is a wrong mark. Understood, children? Yes. See, children, here page number 28. Here one bear is there. So this is a bear. Why this? So here arrow mark is so short. So this is a bear. So here write, children, THIS this. This is a bear. So next, children, here see car is there. Page number 29, one car is there. So car arrow mark is so far. So what here come, children? This is a car, that is a car. So arrow mark is so far. So what here come? Here come that. THAT, that. That is a car. Understood, children? Yes. So now next, turn the page. Yes. So hello letter A. Hello letter A. Trace with your finger, name the picture. A for apple, A for axe, A for ankle, A for ambulance, A for ant, A for alligator, and A for angry. A for angry. Understood, children? Yes. Now trace, children, this big A, small a. A, big A, small a. Big A, small a. So turn the page. Yes, pay the stickers of the images that with A. So you have stickers, children, you paste it. Okay. So A for apple, here sticker paste. A for axe, here sticker. Okay, children. A for ambulance. So you have sticker, you paste it, children. A for apple, A for axe, A for ambulance. Okay, children? Yes. Now trace and write A. So trace, children. A, 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 A. You also trace, children. So turn the page. Yes. Hello letter K. Hello letter K. Trace with your finger, name the picture. Kite, K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for kettle, K for kitchen, K for king, K for key, and K for kiwi. Okay, children? And trace, children. K. Big K, small k. Big K, small k. And turn the page. Circle the picture begins with K. Circle the picture that begin with K. So here we circle, children. So begin with K. So what is the first alphabet? K. So we circle first K letter alphabets. So K for kangaroo, K for kite, K for kettle, K for key. So we circle begin with K. Understood, children? Yes. Now trace and write. K, 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 K. Yes. Now turn the page. Yes. See children here. Hello letter M. Hello letter M. M. Trace with your finger. Name the picture. M for mouth. M for moon. M for monkey. M for mat. M for mug. And M for mango. So now children, trace M, big M and small m. 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 Big M, small m. Okay children. Now turn the page. Help Mono by matching the picture that begin with M. So children, here some pictures are there and one monkey is there. So monkey name is Monu. So we'll matching the pictures begin with M children. Okay. So M for mango to match the monkey. Monu. M for mug. M for mat. So match the pictures with Monu. M. Understood children? Yes. Now M. Trace and write. M. 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 Okay children? Now turn the page. Yes. So hello letter N. Hello letter N. Trace with your finger, name the picture. N. Small, big N, small n. So N for net, N for nest, N for nest, N for nose, N for night, N for night angle, N for nib, N for nine, and N for nurse. So N for nurse. Okay children? So turn the page. Color the leaves with the letter and green. So here one tree is there, some letters are there. So we color only letter N leaves children with green color. Okay, ready children? Yes. Now where is the green color N children? Here. See children. N. 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 Next N. Next, you also do in your textbook children. N. 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 So like this only children. So here we color only N alphabet leaves children. Okay. Now next, trace and write N letter. So N. 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 Okay children. So turn the page. Yes. To turn the page children. See. Hello letter V. Trace with your finger, name the picture. Vulture. Vine. Violin. Van. Vegetable. Waste. And vase. So V for small big V and small v. Okay children. So next, join the dots. Complete Preet Davas, color the picture. So here some dots are given, children. So we'll join. Start. Yes. So now what, children? Coloring. Yes. Yes, children. Now coloring. V for vase. Yes, children. So V for vase. It's complete, children. See, it look very nice. So next, trace and write. So V, 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 V. Okay, children? Yes. So children, total you write today how many pages, children? 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. Okay, children? So today you learn what, children? Animals and young ones. Okay, children? You repeat that one. Okay? Understood, children? Yes. Now, children, your English class is done. So we'll meet you next class. Bye, children. Take care. Bye.